We're now in the Define TCO drivers view, the starting point for configuring how your costs will be structured and allocated throughout the model. In this step, we choose between three predefined setups. Simple, a minimal configuration with only the essential drivers. Medium, includes additional categories such as third party and depreciation. Full, provides the most granular setup with multiple layers of control and flexibility. Each setup is predefined and aligned to industry standards, making it easy to get started. You can always adjust and customize later. From here on, we'll proceed with a simple setup, and I'll also showcase how manual additions can be layered on top. To proceed, I select Simple, then click on the Next button to move to the Manage TCO Drivers step. This is where I can view, edit, or expand the list of TCO drivers that will be used for allocating costs. To demonstrate customization, I'll manually add a new driver by clicking on Add New Driver, typing in the driver name, and confirming the addition. I can also edit or delete existing TCO drivers by clicking on the three dots next to each item on the right side of the screen. The only exception is the Other Expenses driver, which is system protected and cannot be edited or deleted. Once I've finalized my TCO drivers, I click on the Next button to proceed, or use the Previous button if I want to return and adjust my setup. Now we're in the Assign TCO driver step. This is where we align all GL accounts to the appropriate TCO driver. By default, each GL account will be marked as unassigned until a driver is selected from the drop-down menu. Ensure that all the drivers you intend to use are present in the dropdown and that no GL accounts remain unassigned. You may also use the bulk assign feature by selecting the entire left column, which speeds up the process significantly. It's important to make sure that each TCO driver is assigned to at least one GL account to ensure consistency and accurate mapping in later stages. Once you've completed your assignments, you can either click Previous to return to the Manage TCO driver step or click Complete to proceed to the TCO drivers control total screen. This view provides a drill down of your total TCO after aligning cost centers to drivers. Please take a moment to verify the control totals, both at the aggregate TCO driver level and at the individual cost center level to ensure full accuracy. If everything matches and looks correct, click Next to move directly into the primary allocation phase.